noticed when I was surveying the locations just to show our viewers how the New Year is celebrated. I spoke to a lot of women, and these women they have expressed a lot of concerns coming out on streets on late hours. They are not really too secured of coming out due to the Delhi rape incident. Right now, I have some females or girls around me, young girls around me. Let's talk to Priyanka what she feels about safety for women or how India is for women in 2013 now. Priyanka, this is 2013 now. We've already entered 2013. How was 2012 for you, and what are the issues that are grappling around the country now? What do you feel?
They said the war would end on 21st December. It didn't happen, but in a lot of ways it did. Rapes, violence, this is just increasing yearly, and we have to take a stand right now before it gets too late. It is high time. Damini, I would just like to tell you, your death has not gone in vain. We still remember you, and this is a wake-up call for everyone, for each and every citizen of India. It is high time we do something.
Thanks, Priyanka. So Ashok and Sakal, this was Priyanka. She's also come here. I'm standing at the Mandovi Riviera Hotel in Goa, and all these people have come here to celebrate the New Year. But when they celebrate it, they have their own way of expression, or they have their own way of expressing grief over the death of Nirbhaya, as she's known now. So every state has a different way of expression, and Goa has Goa was all geared up to celebrate the New Year. But yes,
Okay.
the government had taken care of ensuring safety to women by deploying more policemen.
Madiha, now, like Ashok in his very first question mentioned, that Goa is of course known the world over for its parties, beaches, casinos, etc. Two things very briefly. Overall, the response, you talked about stringent security apparatus. But in Delhi, of course, there are strict guidelines that the pubs and restaurants have to close by 12:31 maximum. When it comes to Goa, we know that Goa parties in the day also. I mean, whether it's night or a day, it's one and the same thing. But have things a little bit changed because of this incident in Delhi, as far as that culture of Goa is concerned, for which Goa is known?
Sakal, let me tell you that pubs, casinos, and this life of enjoyment is the revenue for Goa. So I never saw any pub or any being closed or having any deadline to be shut at this particular time. So the government has not put any limitations on all these things where you see pubs and you see casinos. No such guideline is given to them of any limitation, any deadline. I didn't even see any particular group celebrating. Yes, 2 or 3 days before there was a candlelight march at Miramar area in Goa, which is very famous. That was a tribute paid to Nirbhaya. Later, people started getting up as this is the main revenue, gaining time for Goans, the localites in Goa. A lot of tourists come here, a lot of domestic tourists and international tourists come here. So this is the time in the entire year for the local people of Goa to earn money. So I think they'll be very unhappy if the government puts any such limitations on them to keep their shops shut.
Okay.
But then people, as I told you, people have their own way of expression. As you saw Priyanka, a young girl, talking about how she feels about the girl who lost her life. She was celebrating here, but yes, behind their mind, they have this image of being insecure.
Okay.
So girls coming out in Goa and celebrating also keep a thought that we need security, and they have a resolution that government should work towards security for women. Let me tell you, people think that moving so ahead in the 21st century where we compare
Madiha, thank you so very much for joining us from Goa. As she said that as far as the Goa